Hi friends, good morning. Please look at the next problem in average. Friends, problem is given in the description box. Friends, say the average weight of 5 students. The average weight of 5 students, say x, then the sum of the weight of 5 students is 5x. Friends, if the teacher is also included, then the average weight of the 5 students is increased by 4. So now the sum of the weight of the all the 6 members, that is including teacher, is 6 into x plus 4. Friends, it is also given that average of the all the 5 students plus teacher is equal to 104. It implies teacher is equal to 104 minus x. Teacher is equal to 104 minus x. Friends, this is sum of 6 members, that is including teacher. This is excluding teacher. So this minus this must be the weight of the teacher. So 6x plus 24, 6x plus 24 minus 5x must be the weight of the teacher. Weight of the teacher is equal to 104 minus x. 104 minus x. Friends, 6x minus 5x, x plus x, 2x is equal to 104 minus 24, 80. 2x is equal to 80, x is equal to 40. Friends, x is equal to 40 implies teacher is equal to 104 minus 40, 64 friends. Teacher is equal to 64, 104 minus 40. Thank you.